movie supporting actor, actress of the year, and ang hindi ng competition, Rob.
Sobra ko. Ako, grabe yung excitement ko at feeling ko, ito, with all due respect, relate na relate ka dito, Miss Aiko, sa mga categories mo dahil ikaw ang isa sa mga standard pagdating sa, you know, di ba, you agree? When it comes sa pagiging kontrabida, di ba, sobrang nakakaasar, nakakainis. But that just goes to show na very, very effective yung roles na ginagampanan nyo.
Thank you, Robbie, na naiinis ka sa akin.
Natatakot po ko eh, ka lang.
Hindi ka makakatikim na sampal sa akin.
Okay, salamat po.
But I think that's a compliment, Robbie. And of course, let us meet the outstanding actors and actresses for the movie supporting of the year.
Let's do this.
For movie supporting actor of the year, Elijah Canlas, Gombuza. Dingdong Dantes, Firefly. Pepe Herrera, Rewind. Piolo Pascual, Gombuza. Bembol Rojo, Pieta. JC Santos, Manila. And L.A. Santos, In His Mother's Eyes. And the star goes to JC Santos for Manila.
Love you, Jay!
And L.A. Santos for In His Mother's Eyes. Presenting the trophy for the PMPC is Mel Navarro.
Una-una po, maraming salamat po sa PMPC board po for supporting my career. Umpisa pa lang po ako. At sobrang isang malaking karangalan po to be in the same room with the best of the best po talaga. Kaya gusto ko pasalamatan ng aking director na si Direk FM Reyes po. Tsaka yung buong team and production staff behind In His Mother's Eyes po. Talagang pinaghirapan po namin yung movie na to. Kaya sana po mapanood niyo rin po. Tsaka, love you po. Kaya maraming salamat po talaga, tsaka to my family po na nandito po ngayon. And I dedicated my performance po sa lahat po ng mga special child po at sa lahat ng mga bata na nasa spectrum. At sa mga nanay na may anak na nasa spectrum, sobrang special po kayong lahat. Mahal na mahal ko po kayo and congrats din to, of course, si Santos po. Santos Connection kami ngayon, kaya maraming salamat po.
Love you, JC!
Thank you, PMPC, for recognizing my work. I've enjoyed acting for 18 years now, theater and film, which with this, I don't think I'll stop creating and telling stories. I want to thank Mentor Productions, Brian Diamante, Derek Gabrido, Enrico Santos, Omar Sortigas of Clever Minds for this possibly one of the best roles so far na nagawa ko para sa pelikula and for entrusting me to interpret Lucas. I am forever grateful. I want to thank Piolo Pascual too for being the best. I want to thank my wife Shai and my daughter River for being an inspiration in my life. And I wouldn't be here if not for the support of the great people who believed in me. The new NMR Lipa Batangas, Nanay Michelle and Tatay TJ Fabiem, my bank card MRI, Doc Aris and Annie Alip, the Necessary Theater, Bart Gingona, and our dear beloved Dodo Lim. Love Skin Clinic ni Sokoshi, Mia Zambrano and Doc Shine Reyes, my brothers at Motor Flight Training Center, Santo Tomas, Batangas, and my brothers at Spoiled Brats Cafe and Cajon Studios. This is for Floyd Quintos, Deo Endrinal, and Dodo Lim. We love you and we miss you dearly. Surround yourself with people who believe in you and you will create magic. Mabuhay ang teatro at mabuhay ang pelikulang Pilipino.
And we shall remember those words. Congratulations, we have an exciting mix of outstanding performances from today's most intense actresses. Let's find out who will be standing out among the rest. So, here are the nominees for Movie Supporting Actress of the Year.
For Movie Supporting Actress of the Year, Gina Alahal, Pieta. Dali De Leon, Keys to the Heart. Alessandra De Rossi, Firefly. Gloria Diaz, Malyali. Liza Lorena, Litrato. Cherry Pie Pikachu, Firefly. And Gladys Reyes, Here Comes the Groom. And the star goes to Gladys Reyes for Here Comes the Groom.
Ay, naiintindihan. Hindi ka na magmamadre.
Presenting the trophy for the PMPC is Romel Placente.
Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Una po sa lahat, Ama, salamat po muli sa biyayang ito. Napakagandang regalo po ng PMPC Star Awards dahil kasabay po ng kanilang 40th anniversary is also my 40th year in the industry. I started po when I was only 7 years old with Viva Films at awa naman po ng Diyos, nandito pa rin tayo ngayon. And of course, Attorney Joji Alonso and Direct Chris Martinez of Here Comes the Groom. Kakaibang saya po ang dulot ng pagkakapanalo ko pong ito para sa pelikulang Here Comes the Groom. Dahil challenge po sa akin ang paggawa ng comedy, ano? Alam niyo naman, kadalasan kontrabida o kaya drama, pero dahil po dito, dagdag inspirasyon ito na pwede pala, no? Pwede pala akong gumawa ng hindi lamang ako makukulong doon sa drama, kundi yung iba naman pong genre, ika nga, di ba? And sa akin pong pamilya, of course, ang aking lucky charm, ang aking Mama Zenny, the hula hoop queen, si Ma'am Z. At syempre, inaalay ko po ang tropeyo na to. Hindi ko man po kasama na ngayon ang aking papa, si Papa Soniero, passed away last 2021. Continuous po ako na magbibigay ng sana palagi siya maging proud sa akin. Of course, sa aking mga kapatid, Janice PJ, and sa akin pong mahal na asawa, supportive po siya, mahiyain lang po siya sa mga ganitong okasyon. Pero number 1 po yan na sumusuporta po sa akin. Sa akin po mga anak, Christoph, Akisha, Grant, Gavin, yan. And syempre po sa aking pong team, kay Mama Ray de la Cruz, thank you Mama Ray. Lloyd Arceo para po sa aking kasuotan, Clinic Aesthetic, Dental Care, and sa aking team, Nix, thank you. And syempre po, sa lahat po ng mga patuloy na sumusuporta sa akin, yung mga kaibigan po, mga pamilya, of course, sa lahat po, ano, and members of the press, alam niyo po mula noon hanggang ngayon, hindi lamang po sila basta sumusuporta lang sa mga proyekto na ginagawa po namin mga artista, kundi ramdam ko po yung malasakit at pagmamahal nila. Kaya naman po maraming salamat. Congratulations also, Direk Rudy. At sa lahat po ng bumubuo ng PMPC Star Awards, maraming salamat po. Nailoni at Solis, of course, my manager,